Thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. So I have read, so I have learned, and so I have understand. They said, the older the vine, the sweeter the wine. Indeed, Kuya Nonoy has aged through all these years, but most definitely, he has been a very good wine, especially to his family. Maybe most of you were watching the montage or video presentation, but I was intensely watching the couples. I remember all the stories Ate Cora told me last night, but it is only for my ears, of course. What was most exciting, of course, as I watched the couples was that they were so excited watching their boys. For all the adults here, I know, we have a saying, the success of the parents will not be based by how successful the parents are per se, but rather on how successful their children has become. Of course, my salute to the couples, Kuya Nonoy and Ate Cora, for the wonderful kids, Joji and Tito Poblete. To all the younger generation, keep up the good work, guys. The next part, of course, are close relatives of our celebrant. First one up, Mrs. Chit Poblete from the United Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, Chit Poblete.
Hello. Good evening, everybody. Happy birthday. My first meeting with Nonoy was about 1967. When he was with my late husband, Ramon. When they were eating pancit, chop suey, and drinking beer in a restaurant. At the time, Ramon was courting me. And at the same time, Nonoy was courting, not me, a lady in our hometown.
I was young that time.
Our townmates at Poblete also. Whenever he was courting a lady or a girl, he also get an alalay.
You must say what alalay.
A friend, companion.
Supporter.
Yeah. Chaperone. Like Tibo and Beloy. Nonoy was a shy and silent. If they can't reach to get back home to Naik because of late nights, no buses, they go straight to the hospital to sleep on empty beds with their friends, Lalay, Nonoy, and Tibo. Then, early in the morning, they set off he won't be scolded by his father, Kuya Juan. When Nonoy and Cora were still boyfriend and girlfriend, they come to our restaurant, La Wiswis Kawayan, at General Trias. They eat pancit, and Nonoy drinks San Miguel beer. Then, so we chat with each other as usual friends.
Talking about the old ladies.
Nonoy is a best companion of my husband, my late husband Ramon. They are like brothers. They, when they go with each other, they always be
Drinking.
Nonoy is the best companion, friend, cousin of my late partner Ramon. Nonoy is a good person, simple, loving, and faithful husband.
For those who do not know what pansit is, it's part of our